Florence is about 30 miles from the south of the border. It's centrally located in between Myrtle Beach and Columbia. It's almost smack dab in the middle of the capital and the coast.
The downtown area has been revitalized. There's a lot that's going on downtown now. A lot of restaurants that's moving downtown. They moved the museum from where it used to be in Florence to the downtown area.
We have really good food here. Downtown is really a big thing for people to go to, especially, you know, if you like after hours type of things.
For a laid back person, if you're not looking for like a lot of hustle and bustle, traffic wise, that can get kind of hectic in the afternoon, but other than that, it's a nice place to live.
So the unique thing about what we do in Florence is we're a fairly small, close-knit station, but we do everything. So that's the unique thing. When we go to other stations, when we do TDY, sometimes it's above or below the wing. We are able to fit in anywhere. We only have one route from Florence to Charlotte, and then everything goes from there.
They are very good at their job. I am not trained as an agent, gate agent, ticket agent, ramp agent. I'm the admin, but I watch them, and I love how when a flight comes in, it's almost like watching a ballet. They all know their place. They move in sync.
This is a quick stepping stone for individuals. Florence being small, 4 supervisors, 3 full-time agents, and about 12 part-timers. This is a slow-paced station to start. You get to do everything from the baggage to working the ticket counter to working the gates, the ramp, but you learn it at a slower pace than you would like in a hub city where everything is hustle and bustle, and here you get hands-on and it's much easier to learn your job here.
The agents are super nice, to work with. With the new hires we have, super wonderful. They learn quick.
When I was hired here, I was told by my manager that it is a very family-oriented atmosphere, and that's very true.
I've recently done some TDY work. I flew to another station and worked for a few weeks, and I was so happy to come home to my crew. It literally was like coming home to family.
With the type of community that we have and the team and the family that we have here in Florence, it makes it hard to want to leave. So I think that's important because most people, they have jobs that they don't like.
This is really a close-knit team, it really is.